Grange is my school. Learning is my right. I learn and I care. I speak and I share. Kindness is strength. Wisdom is what counts. See, vamos. Confidence and consideration. Hello children, it is the 30th of November 2020 and we are almost at Christmas. And today I wanted to speak to you about something really important, and that is the character strength of honesty. And honesty is when we make a mistake and we don't try to just pretend like it didn't happen, or to run away, or to make a distraction, because we want to be honest and we want to learn from our mistakes and we want to own our mistakes. So this is a really interesting thing. It's a toy, but it wasn't a toy once upon a time, because believe it or not, this was a telephone. But it was a telephone from about 100 years ago. So it's what you would call an antique. That is something that is very old and we've kept. And the way that the telephone used to work was that you would dial over here, you'd have to press the numbers, and then you'd have to pick up the telephone and you'd have to speak on the phone. And for adults, it's quite nice sometimes to have antiques. It's almost like children enjoy toys, because it's fun to think about history and the way things were in the past. But I made a mistake and I bumped this really hard once and I broke it a little bit, and now it's quite wobbly. And to be honest, when I broke it, I was very embarrassed. And there was part of me that didn't want to say it was my fault. But I remembered to use my character strength and to say I'm sorry. And my wife was very disappointed and she was upset. And I had to understand and realize that she was right to be disappointed. And I had to say I'm sorry. I will try to do better and I will look after everything in the house. And now I'm more careful in the house. So that's how honesty has helped me, and always to think about things like the chairs and anything else. So honesty is the character strength that helps us to be stronger. So children, this week, especially try to be honest. Use your character strength of honesty. If you made a mistake, say, I'm sorry, this is my mistake. And then learn from it and grow from it.